In recent years, e-learning has experienced remarkable growth. From 2021 to 2030, revenues of e-learning apps are predicted to hit an estimated total of $350 billion in global market size. In 2020 alone, this market size had already been valued at about $200 billion. COVID-19's pandemic contributed significantly to this explosion. Duolingo is a well-known language e-learning app that has revolutionized the way people learn new languages. Since its introduction in 2011, it has seen over 500 million downloads. Duolingo offers courses in more than 40 different languages and uses a gamified approach to keep students motivated. The app features interactive exercises, speech recognition, and chatbots for real-world practice. The first step to building a website similar to Duolingo is to understand your audience. Language learning apps cater to a wide range of users, from students to professionals. Identify the age range, degree of language skill, level of education, and learning objectives of your target audience. Conduct surveys, interviews, or analyze existing platforms to gather this information. Before beginning development, complete thorough research and formulate an outline of the steps needed. Study Duolingo's features and functionality, such as progress tracking, customized learning paths, and gamification. Conduct market research on other language learning websites to identify strengths and weaknesses. Use this analysis to create a comprehensive plan for your own website. A clear development strategy is crucial. Choose an educational app development platform like React Native or Flutter for cross-platform compatibility. Opt for a technology stack that suits your requirements, such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and server-side frameworks like Ruby on Rails. Identify the platforms and devices your website will support and create a detailed development timeline. Design is a key factor in the success of a language learning website. Create an intuitive and user-friendly design theme with a clean layout and consistent typography. Incorporate gamification elements like progress tracking, achievements, and leaderboards. Design user profiles and progress tracking systems to allow users to set goals and track their improvement over time. Start with back-end development, configuring databases, servers, and APIs. Ensure scalability and security to handle a large number of users. For front-end development, create a user-friendly interface using responsive design techniques. Implement features like user authentication, progress tracking, and interactive exercises. Incorporate gamification techniques to keep users engaged. Establish a testing plan and select the right techniques and resources. Create comprehensive test cases covering all app features. Test on various devices, platforms, and operating systems for compatibility. Evaluate intuitiveness, navigation, and clarity in usability testing. Measure performance and scalability in load and performance testing.